All right, what is the mass of Mercury? Right, Mercury is not as dense as gold. Let's see, in a cylindrical cup that is 9 centimeters tall, 11 centimeters in diameter. Isn't that fun? In Mercury, I think steel would float on Mercury, but gold would sink in Mercury. It's interesting. Okay, so the volume of a cylinder is the area of the top, or it's a right circular solid, right? Right, something solid, right? So what it is it's pi r squared is the area of the top times the height, right? These rectangular solids are that. This you have to memorize, okay? Every man, woman, and child in this country needs to know the volume of a cylinder. Who doesn't know the volume of a cylinder? Come on. All right. So let's see. 9 centimeters tall, 11 centimeters in diameter. Ooh, diameter. Okay, so our radius is 5.5 centimeters. Is that right? Yeah, I think I got that right. And that equals 0.0550 meters, right? So we're dividing by 100. Isn't that the crazy thing right there? Okay, so that's our radius. Our height it's 9 centimeters tall, right? That's this height here. So that is our h is 0.0900 meters, because again we got to divide centimeters by 100, right? So now we're ready. Our volume is pi r squared. That's an r. H, right? So that is pi times r is 0.0550 squared. That's meters, right? Times 0.0900 meters. To see how we're going to get square meters times meters, that'll be cubic meters, right? All right, are we ready for this? Pi times 0.055 squared times 0.09 is not very much. This is 8.55. It's a big cup, though. Almost holds a liter. 85% of a liter, right? 8.5529 times 10 to the minus fourth cubic meters. 10 to the minus third, 1 times 10 to the minus 3 cubic meters is a liter. Okay, so that's our volume, right? And so we want the mass. Density is mass divided by volume. So mass is density times volume, right? So it's going to be our density here. 13.6 times 10 to the third kilograms per cubic meter times the volume, which is 8.5529 times 10 to the minus fourth cubic meters. So I just have to multiply those. So the number on my calculator times 13.6 e to the third. And I get that the mass is 11.63 kilograms, which for reference, that would be times 2.2. It's a biggish cup, right? A big old cup, like the size of a water bottle almost, right? But that would weigh 25 pounds. That would get your attention. In fact, I used to have a thing of mercury that I would pass around the room and be like, wow, that's really heavy. But that's just, used to be safe, but now it's too dangerous. I mean, the more we find out about how toxic mercury is, there you go. All right.